Now we have an opportunity for one or two questions. There's a burning question that's there.
Is there any type of, I know the doctor indicated that you can screen if you have a high level of protein. Is there any other precautionary medications if a person presents but they still have not morphed into maybe the disease that you can do, you can prevent more of that? Is there any kind of medication or series of medications to do that?
We have excellent treatment for multiple myeloma, and we're going to talk about that a little bit later on. Here we were talking about signs and symptoms, so that you want to be able to listen to your body, as Dr. Dyson had said, pain being one of the important pieces that you have to pay attention and know what's going on. And they may say, oh, it's just general aches and pains, you're getting older, nothing to worry about. You know your body, you know how you're feeling, you know that it's different than something else that's going on. So persist in asking those questions and making sure you get the diagnosis that's necessary and you don't wait a long period of time to get that. And also ask for additional tests. They may do some tests and may not show anything. Have those tests repeated, have some additional tests done until you find out. Pain is a non-specific symptom because you have pain with arthritis, you have pain with all kinds of things, but there are other things that may be going on, and you'll hear that when we get to talking about the kidney and things that's going on there because you're spilling some protein that may be picked up in the urine. Another question? Yes.
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, the question was, is multiple myeloma a hereditary disease? No, it is not. However, as African Americans, we tend to be plagued with many diseases, and we say, oh, did God give us this burden to bear because we are resilient people and we can withstand it? But no, it's not in your family and you don't get it from your uncle or your father. It happens to be more in African Americans and African American males, and it generally is after the age of 50, 2 to 3 times more than in our white counterparts. Why? We don't know. We would get Nobel Prizes if we did. And that would be very wonderful, but we do know that it is treatable. And with the new therapies that we have, it's showing that we are keeping people beyond the 3 years. When I trained, luckily we could keep people alive for 3 years, and now we're beyond 7. And I know I've had patients that have lived 10 years. Any comments from our clients?
Well, as the crowd saying, so we don't have any evidence that it's a disease. There's some report mentioning that if a family member, first degree family member, has multiple myeloma, there is 3 more times risk of multiple myeloma in the future. But in general, there's no very strong link to, as I said, there's no hereditary predisposition to the disease.
Okay, yes.
I have a question about the anemia. I'm just wondering, even though people tend to get diagnosed, say in their 50s with multiple myeloma, if they've had severe anemia for even like a decade or 2 before that, do you know what I mean? I'm just wondering, is it just that people, they don't start looking for it until you're older, but the signs are actually there much sooner?
There are many types of anemia. So.
But when they have that, they can't determine, right? You know how they say like undetermined anemia?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a great question because I had anemia, but with African American women, if you're thinking about, something in particular,
Iron deficiency.
we have iron deficiency secondary to these abnormal bleeding and fibroids. So my case was, oh, that's just fibroids, that's just her fibroids. But then by the time I had been evaluated, it was 5 years after menopause. So I'm not still having menses. So what are we talking about now? What you talking about? I'm not bleeding. So like the doctor said, you have to have a physician who has a high index of suspicion. So because every anemia is multiple myeloma. So, and then just because the person does have anemia doesn't mean that they don't have it. You understand what I'm saying? So you need a physician who's gonna say, let me just check that just in case. Because I had a friend who was 37 who was diagnosed because she wanted to do fertility stimulants. And when they did the stimulator, she produced too many eggs. And that doctor said, let me just check you. And that's how she got diagnosed with multiple myeloma. So you just really need a physician who's willing to say, this might not be anything, but let me just test for this.
Okay, I did say 2 or 3 questions.
That was a good one, though.
And it's a very good question, but we're going to have time to get back, so please jot down those questions. I think you have a little book with that, so that we can come back to it. I'm going to give the other parts, very important information that we want to come back to. And I do want to just take another point of personal privilege and introduce the president of the auxiliary of the National Medical Association, Lady Marie Hammond, who's joined us. I think a very important part of the National Medical Association, so I give it to you.